Hiya, David here from Me and the Moon, and I want to let you know about our 2020 Cruinniú event. It's happening this Saturday, June 13th. It's going to be available via our website, meandthemoon.ie. There's a Cruinniú button on it, and if you follow that, you'll find the video. And I want to say thank you to Kerry Arts Office for having us involved in this year's event. So, what are we going to do? We're going to make sketchbooks. I'm going to show you to make 3 different styles. And this video I'm going to tell you about different materials you're going to need, okay? So it's for ages 6+, but all guys can get involved. It could be younger kids might need a little bit of help with stitching and things like that. But let me tell you materials. So you're going to use an A2 sheet. Well, I'm going to be cutting down from that. But if you don't have A2 sheets, we're going to be making them down into A4 anyway. So A4. Use heavy enough paper. You don't want it too light because you're going to spend a bit of time making it. And you want it to have a nice sketchbook that you can use a bit of paint and a bit of charcoal. So you don't want like photocopy paper, a bit heavier than that. Other materials, so you can make for making all the sketchbooks. You're going to use staples. So your stapler for the staple bind, some twine for stitching, and you can use a thumbtack as well for that. Scissors, ruler, glue stick. Also, a different colour page is good for the cover, or if you don't have that, you can just add a white page. That's cool. And you can see I've got paper tape on my sketchbooks to decorate them a little bit. So if you have some paper tape like this, you can use it. Or if you didn't have paper tape like that, you could use masking tape and you could colour it with markers. That could work really cool too. So yeah, these are all the materials you're going to need, and we hope you can join us this Saturday, and we look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.